Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying architecture. Confirm whether the application is 32-bit or 64-bit and match it to your Windows installation. Mismatches cause the error. Once done, run the program as administrator to eliminate permission issues and immediately open Event Viewer to capture the faulting module and timestamp. These steps tell you what kind of replacement or reinstall you need. Make sure to note exact file names and error codes shown. They guide the next actions and prevent blind reinstall attempts. Next, repair the core runtime components that commonly trigger 0xc00007b. Install or repair Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64. Many apps need both. Then run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and execute sfc/scanno to restore corrupted system DLLs. After that, reinstall the specific DirectX and NET framework versions the application requires, because version mismatches often break module loading. These steps rebuild the dependency chain so the app can start correctly. Finish by validating and replacing any remaining missing DLLs. Run a dependency checker to identify specific files, then copy the correct 32-bit or 64-bit DLLs from a trusted source or reinstall the package that supplies them. Uninstall the app, delete leftover folders in program files and app data, and reinstall cleanly. If the error persists, try the program on another machine or create a new Windows user to rule out profile corruption. If nothing works,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.